I will be saying famous millennial acronyms, and the first guest to raise his or her hand with the correct meaning will win this limited edition pencil case from Cebu Pacific Air. Tayo po ay magkakalaro ng balaro. Ang tawag sa ating laro ay hashtag millennials. Bibigay po kami ng millennial acronyms at ang unang makapagtaas ng kanyang kamay na may tamang sagot ay makapag-uwi ng limited edition pencil case from Cebu Pacific. I believe my instructions are clear. Guests bound for Cebu, let me see a thumbs up sign in the air if you're ready. More thumbs up sign in the air. Right. Let's begin. Our first question. Give me the meaning of OOTD. Right. About in the middle section. The back section. Okay. Congratulations. The correct answer is outfit of the day. For the second prize, give me the meaning of YOLO. YOLO. Big raises of hands right there. Congratulations to all the winners. And for those who did not win, do not worry, your cabin crew will now roll out the merchandise trolley. We have souvenir items like Tangas planes, blankets, comfort kits, and many more. You can check your Spanish Light magazines inside your seat pocket for more information. Thank you.